Hello, hi, my dear students. Today we will start with differential equation. Okay, that is 1 mark possible questions. Okay, fine. So, the possible 1 mark from this chapter is we have to find degree and order of the given differential equation. Okay, so a differential equation will contain independent variables, dependent variables, derivatives. Okay, then how you will find its degree and order. Okay, for example, consider this is a differential equation. Okay, dq by y divided by dx cube plus 2 into d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So we have to find degree and order of the given differential equation. Okay. So here order means which is the highest order derivative in this equation. Highest order derivative means it is coming third derivative, 3 times differentiating. dy by dx means we will write it as first order derivative. That means we will differentiate the given only one time. If it is d square y by dx square, it is called what? Second order derivative. Okay. That means we will differentiate 2 times. If it is d cube y by dx cube, it means what? It is third order derivative. Okay, so this is the highest order derivative in this differential equation. This is third order derivative. This is second order. This is first order. So order can be 3, which is the highest order derivative in this given differential equation. And what is meant by its degree? Degree means the power of highest order derivative. Here the power of highest order derivative is what? It is 1, right? 1 we usually will not write. So it is 1. Degree is 1. Like that we can find degree and order of a given differential equation. Okay. 2-3 examples we can do. So these are 2 examples. In this, how you will find order? We have to check highest order only. There is one first order derivative, that is dy by dx. So its order is 1. And its corresponding degree is what? It is also 1. Its raised power is also 1. So order and degree both are 1. Okay. So this case, if it is given as dash, this is what 3 dash means. It is third derivative, right? Third derivative. This is square e raised to y dash. So here derivative is correct. It is given as third order. So order you can write it as 3. Highest order derivative. Okay. And here actually this equation is not polynomial. If it is not polynomial, its degree is not defined. So we can write degree as it is not defined. Okay. Fine. So first we have to check whether the given function is polynomial. If it is not polynomial, the degree is not defined. Order you can write, no problem. Okay, fine. Yeah, so this is an important question, that is we have to find order and degree of the given differential equation. Here there is square root is there, right? So first you simplify the given equation and rearrange it properly. After that we can find degree and order. Okay, that is here to make square on both sides, that root will go, right? So here it will become d square y by dx square the whole square equal to y plus dy by dx the whole square. Then rearrange it. You can move everything to one side. D square y by dx square minus y minus dy by dx square is equal to 0. So here, which is the highest order derivative? This is a second order derivative. This is first order derivative. So here d square y by dx square means we have second order, first order dy by dx, one time differentiating, two times differentiating d square y by dx square. So this is a second order derivative which is highest. So order is what? 2. And the degree of, that is power of highest order derivative, that is what? 2. So here degree and order are both 2. Okay. So the next question is similar type we have solved last question, that is here it is we have to find order and degree of differential equation with d square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square here raised to 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 meaning what it is? For example, 4 we will write 2 root 2. That is 2 root 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1 by 2. There is so 1 here, 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 raised to 3 by 2. So this thing can be written as what? 2 raised to 3 by 2. So one way for solving this, just you can square both side square it. That is what? If you square this term, 2 raised to 3 by 2 the whole square. That means what? 2 raised to 3 by 2 into 2 will come, right? That is 2 will get cancelled. That is how power rule, that is a raised to b whole raised to n if we put. Then what we can write? A raised to bn, right? We will multiply this. So similarly 3 by 2 into 2 we will get what? 2 cube. Similarly here 3 by 2 into 2, 2 will get cancelled. What remains? Cube remains. Here square remains. So we have here d square y by dx square the whole square equal to, their cube remains, that is 1 plus dy by dx whole square cube. Okay. So after solving this we are getting, that is here the highest degree means highest order derivatives degree, that is highest order is what? Second order derivative, right? D square y by dx square, that is order is here, highest is what? 2. Then its power is what? 2. That is degree is also here 2. So degree and order 2. This is the answer. Okay. So here 3 questions I have written. So for this, just to find degree and order, these type questions are asked previous year question papers. Okay. So here order we can see, that is which is the highest order derivative, whether it is first order, second order, third order, like that. So here it is d square y by dx square, it is dy by dx. So this is second order, this is first order. So highest order is what? Here in this case order is 2. Okay. And we have to check the function is polynomial. If it is not polynomial, its degree is not defined. Order you can write, no problem. Here it is cos of function, it is there, cos of. If we see like that, sine of, cos of, tan of, anything functions of trigonometric ratios, its degree will not be defined. So you have to write degree is not defined. Okay. Similarly, in this question, what is the order? Order highest order dy by dx first order. First order, here it is second order. So again, here order will be, order can be written as 2, and here again you can see sine of dy by dx plus 1, which is not polynomial function. So here we can write degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Okay. Then third one, same order. Here order is what? Here fourth order derivative, d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4. So you can order, no problem, you can write it as 4. But degree is, check whether it is polynomial function. Here also sine function is coming. So you can write degree is not defined. Okay, so these type questions can be expected where you will get confused whether degree you will write it as what? 1, that it is wrong, because here it is sine function is there, so degree is not defined since it is not a polynomial function. Okay, so keep practicing. The 1 mark question is sure from this differential equation. They will ask find the degree and order. So keep practicing such questions. So in next class we can solve higher mark questions. Okay.